It's called the Liberator, a 3D plastic gun with blueprints now available online.
They're publicly available and people can download them if they wish.
The website created by the Firearms Policy Coalition in Sacramento shows step-by-step instructions so anyone can print a plastic gun at home.
It's about as simple as the site can be.
A federal judge on Tuesday temporarily blocked a government settlement that would have allowed a gun rights group in Texas to post 3D gun blueprints online. But the ruling doesn't stop other groups. And Craig DeLuz says the government has no right to restrict what you can say before you even say it.
This case right here is largely about freedom of speech, being able to put information out there, and simply the state does not have the right to infringe on speech.
The 3D printed guns have no serial numbers and can't be traced, and with no metal parts, there's nothing to trigger a metal detector.
I'm very concerned. I think it is a very dangerous publicity stunt that they're doing that could result in someone getting killed.
Critics of the plastic guns worry felons or terrorists will start making them at home. California's Attorney General also fighting back. Javier Becerra announcing today he doesn't want anyone manufacturing what he calls ghost guns.
We're taking action by joining a lawsuit to prevent that downloadable 3D gun information from getting into the hands of the wrong people.
But while the legal battle over 3D guns escalates, Craig DeLuz says he's trying to protect the public's right to know.
We're talking about the exercising of a constitutionally enumerated right, and for some reason many politicians find that offensive.
These guns cannot be traced by law enforcement. They don't have to have a background check, and I don't see any reason why we need these guns out there in the community.
The fight between free speech and public safety is only getting hotter. In Sacramento, Mike Lurie, KCRA 3 News.